Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix Sketchbook app. We click on settings. So we go to settings in the first here. In the first you will find this page. We click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Sketchbook app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.